They're coming up the hill down there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna get the, will you go get the measuring tape? It should be on the finger. Got it?
It was on me, but it was in the drawer.
Oh, it was? I put it back in the drawer?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I had to brush so much snow off in my car. Like, just look at the hood.
Yeah, well, it's my car.
From when I drove it earlier.
Okay.
Like, I had this much on the windshield.
Well, you really can't tell here that
2 inches.
nope, we are currently at 7 inches of snow. Ish.
Okay.
You wanna play? Yep, 7 inches. You have fun?
Dude, what?
Don't you throw anything at me. I'll throw this at you.
I'm not afraid of you.
I just blew back in your face. Hey, we're in blizzard conditions right now, Bubby. Is this snow even good for making snowballs?
Look at our cars now.
Those are supposed to be snares. Snares. Let's just jump down there. Did you mean to do that? Make a snow angel. Oh, sweetie, you're gonna be. Oh gosh, so cold.
Finding stuff.
Huh?
Ice. I got snow in my throat.
You and the truck's tearing ass. I didn't realize that it fell off right there. But you can't tell. No.
Over there.
Oh my gosh, turn around.
Brush me up.
No. Here, go walk over there so I can get the full picture of you. You're completely, that's a wool coat.
That.
You are like ridiculously covered in snow.
What is
Oh,
it?
don't turn around.
Why does it matter?
Okay, we're done.